dreams of nowhere in our hands. The skyline paints a sunset blend in hues of gold and fading red. We worn out shoes and dusty trails. We leave behind each city's tale. The wind, it whispers secret tunes of places where the heart prevails. Oh, roam with me through endless lands where time is lost in grains of sand. We'll find our peace in foreign hands, on places where the heart prevails. Oh, roam with me through endless lands where time is lost in grains of sand. We'll find our peace in foreign hands, on journeys made without demands. We walk beneath the ancient trees, their whispers soft like gentle seas. The night is cool, the stars they tease, a dance of light on evening's breeze. The mountains high and valleys low, each heartbeat syncs with nature's flow. No rush, no pain, just calm we know, as rivers sing our tales of woe. Our backs are light, our spirits free, on roads that lead to destiny. The world unfolds its mysteries as we explore in harmony. Always lead through endless lands where time is lost in grains of sand. We'll find our peace in foreign hands, on journeys made without demands. We walk beneath through endless lands where time is lost in grains of sand. We'll find our peace in foreign hands, on journeys made without demands.